Today we're gonna make a dessert where you can surprise your family or your friends. The nice weather is coming up. Yes, sun is shining, temperature going up, everybody's barbecuing, and of course I've got the perfect recipe for when you're having some friends. You can make this a little bit earlier, you can prepare it, so when you're done eating, put it on the barbecue on the rest heat and everybody will be surprised. It's banana with a twist from the barbecue. How do you make it? Let's see. I'm gonna start with the star of the show, the bananas. Yeah, they're gonna go on the barbecue. And of course, as you can see, if you want to place them on top, they will fall over. That's not working. Of course, you can cut it here, put all the filling in, but that's not what I like to do. I want to have it really nicely presented. So for that, I got some aluminum foil. Make yourself like a boat. Where the bananas can sit on. So like this, it will stay up. Nicely up.
A few moments later.
And when they're all bolted up, we can get the filling in. So you see the banana and they always got a couple of lines. So let's first cut it in. On the lines. Then grab yourself a toothpick and roll it up. When it's nicely rolled up, get the toothpick in, and this is part one. When that's done, I got myself some Rollos. It's some candy. If you're gonna cut it through half, you will see some caramel in there. Some chocolate with caramel. I'm gonna make them split by two, so I'm gonna cut them. I don't know how many exactly I'm gonna need, but if there's anything left, that's no problem, because you can also eat them like this. Ha. So to start, I got myself a few. When that's done, we're gonna cut into the banana. There we go. Gonna open it up carefully, and we're gonna place the Rollos in there. Just try to get a lot of them in. The more the better, of course. It's a dessert. So I got mine pretty much filled up. I could get an extra one on it, but okay, don't really need it. Then you're going to grab yourself some unsalted butter and get some nibs in there. It will nicely melt and it will help the chocolate to melt. Give that little creamy taste. So a few knobs of butter. And then I've got the big star of today. Yeah. My wife, my kids, they don't like it. I got myself some Jack. And I'm gonna get some Jack in there. A little bit, you don't have to put in too much. But a little bit of Jack. To enchant the flavor. Yeah, I'm gonna do this like 4 times.
A few inches later.
I got them 4 times done, and now it's time to go to the barbecue. since you still have some remaining heat. After barbecuing, I'm having some rest heat. It's about 170, 180 degrees. So everything's still glowing. And we're gonna put the bananas in. Don't forget to use the boat because it will fall over and yeah, everything will go out. So get it in. Try to do it as fast as possible because you're gonna need the heat. We're gonna close it, and in about 20 minutes the peel will be black, everything will be bubbling, and it's ready to eat. Well, the bananas are into the oven. I'm gonna grab myself some cashew nuts and some peanuts. I'm gonna deserve it with ice, and as soon as you place the bowl of ice on the plate with the warm banana on it, it will melt. Now, to prevent it from melting and to give that extra roasty taste, I got myself some roasted peanuts and some roasted cashew nuts. I'm gonna chop them to create an extra layer isolation so the chocolate won't melt. So this also prepared.
One eternity later.
And let's see. As you can see, it's nicely bubbling away. The peel nicely black. Time to plate up. There we go, got the bananas on the plate. Then get yourself some of the nuts on the plate. Make sure the ice cream bowl will sit on there. It will also give a little bit of crunch. Then a trick. I got myself some ice cream. This is the 3 chocolate one, because chocolate and banana will really work out. Sometimes people don't get nice bowls, and the way to get the ice cream nicely out of this special ice cream tool is to get it wet. So there we go. Nice bowl of ice cream. And this is my banana with stuffing and ice cream. Banana and chocolate, one of the perfect combinations. Really, really perfect. My kids love it, my wife loves it, and if my wife loves it, that is perfect, because daddy will also get a really good evening, probably. Well, if you don't like the Rollos, you can also use normal chocolate or the children's chocolate. The small bars, you can get it like everywhere, and yeah, it doesn't really matter. It really doesn't matter. Just stuff it with whatever you like. Having that said, this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next Saturday there will be another video, and see you then. Bye bye.